Greetings, my fellow foolish mortal, and welcome to the Scare Factor. Tonight we're here at the Cincinnati Zoo for the first ever jack-o'-lantern glow. It's a big pumpkin jack-o'-lantern display that they've got here this year. Sometimes we get so excited looking for scares and going to haunted houses that we forget to take advantage of the October season and really soak up all the Halloween vibes. That's what we're doing here today, and we're going to take you through with us. As we make our way through, take a good hard look at all the sections and all the pumpkins, and make sure you let us know what your favorite was at the end of the video. Or better yet, see if you can guess what our favorites are. So without further ado, let's go look at some spooky stuff.
There's a big giant pumpkin. They're my people, the squirters. I need to be in there on a pumpkin. You think they'll notice? With this guy too.
Don't forget to comment what your favorite jack-o'-lantern is and what you think our favorite jack-o'-lantern is.
I spy with my little eyes something Nightmare Before Christmas out here.
That one took a minute to pick up. Let me turn the brightness down. Alright, so this jack-o'-lantern glow is pretty dang cool, but you have got to stop by the beer garden here at the end. They've got all kinds of different fall-flavored festive foods here. Caramel apples, a turtle caramel apple. They've got pumpkin spice elephant ears and pumpkin spice hot chocolate. I mean, they got more stuff here than I can just sit here and list, but we've already had the pumpkin beer, and they've got the Spookies and Cream, cookies and cream from Dippin' Dots. So I mean, duh, you gotta stop and get some food.
Tyler, did you read the tachos?
The tachos?
Sound incredible.
Crispy tater tots, beer cheese, bacon, sour cream, and chives.
I mean, who can resist tachos?
We
Or
have to
tater
have
tot nachos.
This is the apple pie spritzer.
It's got stuff on the rim too, don't it?
Oh, that stuff on the rim. It's caramel apple.
And there are the tachos.
Tachos. I'm so excited for the tachos. They have beer cheese.
I love it. Are you gonna get it?
You know, count.
Oh my god.
We're gonna have to dispose of them all. All right, guys, that was the jack-o'-lantern glow here at the Cincinnati Zoo. This is the first year for the event. Let us know what you thought. Don't forget, while you're looking for scares this year, take a few minutes to enjoy the season. It doesn't last very long, so soak it up while you can. But after you do that, we've got a bunch more scary videos of us going through haunted houses. I've got one linked for you right here. I'll see you in that video. Until then, stay scary.